chance. Welcome to the rock show. Center spotlight, and we watch the stage glow. Backstage access, but you're seated at the front row. House light show.
You're about to enter the violence zone. Here we view an innocent young lady get her book bag stolen by a thug. This incredible act of violence causes a change in position. Although our victim's distance and travel and journey is great, her total displacement is somehow 0. Good evening. You are entering the math zone. Here is our mathematical calculations regarding the backpack theft. As you can see, our victim was traveling at a constant velocity when suddenly she was abused and her backpack was stolen, in which she traveled at a negative velocity to retrieve it, and then a positive velocity to continue to school. Here we have our velocity function, and we take the integral of 0 to 14 seconds, and then we retrieve, through mathematical calculations of sophisticated computer knowledge, that the total displacement was 0, because she returned to the point of origin, where she had her backpack stolen by that fiend! As our young heroes were late for Miss Price's class, they didn't know that their tardiness and horrible time and work ethic caused a great change in acceleration.
Man, you ready for a great day in Miss Price's class? I love calculus.
Me too. It's really the best.
Oh shoot, we're gonna be late. We gotta go.
Here, we once again enter the math zone. Here's our graphical analysis of our tardy friends. As we see, they meander to school, not realizing that they are late and will experience the wrath of Miss Price. Once they realize that they're late, they quickly speed up and continue to speed up as they try to outrun the bell.
We're not gonna take these.
Here, we have our mathematical representation of the previous graph. We have our velocity function, which is this function right here. We take the derivative and we find the acceleration at time equals 6 seconds. And we learn that the acceleration is 4 meters per second squared. Here is the scene of an accident. This accident was no mere accident. This accident was a change in velocity.
Oh, that hurt.
Welcome back for the second time to the math zone. As we see by our graphical representation made by our scientists, we see our clumsy friend trotting along the hill and then realizes that he is in fact clumsy and topples down, and his velocity slowly goes down. Here is our mathematical representation of that graph. Now, I'm not a mathematician, obviously, so I am reading a script that tells me what it's about to say. We use U substitution, and we find the total distance traveled when he fell is 5 meters. Obviously.
Baller slash thief.
Tardy.
Filmer slash tardy. The brains.
Actually, though, the narrator.
Victim.